Here are the top 3 Facebook ad myths you need to stop believing in right now.
On a good day, you can scale up your ad campaigns only by 20%.
No, on a good day, you can increase the budget of your ads by up to 50% for the well-performing ads. And on a bad day, you don't have to spend the entire amount, so you can reduce the spend on those particular days.
Optimize your ads only on the basis of ROAS.
Absolutely not. Optimization of your ads should be done based on different metrics. Most important metrics are your amount spent, the conversion rate, and your cost per result.
Laser target audience is the secret for your ad success.
Not at all. The secret of your ads is in the communication and the creative of your ad. Keeping the audience as broad as possible and letting Facebook optimize it is going to give you the best results.